Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how you can make at least 1000 naira per hour working on a site by using your smartphone and also performing some micro tasks online. So in this website, on this site, you can perform tasks which involves watching videos, liking posts, subscribing, giving honest review, writing surveys, and so on. So we'll be making a review of this site, and I will show you guys how you can earn as much as 1000 naira per hour or even more per day, depending on how much effort or how much time you put into it. This site is a crowdsourcing platform for individuals and business. As an individual or as a freelancer, you can come on this site and perform some tasks and earn your money. And as a business, you can post jobs on this site if you need people to help you perform some particular tasks on your businesses. You can come on this site and you will post whatsoever you want them to do for you. This site is Naira Worker. That's the name. It's a freelancing and crowdsourcing platform that connects clients and freelancers all over Nigeria. This platform is for Nigerians. We have a lot of crowdsourcing platform online, but the disappointing part of it is that most of them do not accept Nigerians, and for those that accept Nigerians, they kick us out just anytime they feel like. But thanks to this particular platform that is created for Nigeria, and we can earn as much as 1000 naira per hour and more depending on what effort you put into it. So as a business owner, like I said earlier, you can post a job on this site, and you can post any task, like if you want people to sign up on website for you, you want them to promote the content for you, you want them to install your mobile app, or you want them to subscribe to your channel or stuff like that, you can post it here. And as a freelancer, you can take a survey, you can write an honest review about an application, you can test an app, you can follow people on social media, and you'll be get paid for it. Just imagine that. This is a dashboard of someone's earning, and if you look at the right side of this page here, you see the earnings, you see the balance, you see the satisfied. This place that we have satisfied refers to the numbers of tasks that the person has done and has been reviewed and has been accepted, and the person that posted the job is satisfied with it. This person has 79. Like if you look at the left side of the screen here, we have some of the tags that are being posted on the site. We have visit our website and sign up. If you do that, you'll be paid a particular amount. We have like and retweet my pinned tweet. If you do that, you'll be paid some amount. You can watch YouTube video, create account. You can follow people on Instagram. So all you need to do is to select the job you like to do. You exploit the required tags, check for the required tags and the required proof that you have submitted the tax. If it is something you can do or something you are satisfied with, then you go ahead with doing the tax. Once you complete the tax, you send the required proof and you submit. Your tax will be reviewed, and then you'll be paid for it. The amazing part of this site is that it only requires a little time for each task to be completed. Once you click on it, you only need to use little time to complete the task, and you get paid for it. Before you do any task, you need to explore the task and be sure that it is something that you would love to do, and also you deliver the work. Make sure you do the exact thing that you are asked to do. If you feel like what you are asked to do is something that you cannot do, it will be better you just quit that particular task and move on to the next task. So right now we'll be logging in to the site. I already created an account like few hours ago, and I've done some tasks just to check that this thing is actually real, because I want to be sure of the kind of thing I'll bring out to people, and I have tested and I have people around me that have done the same, and they are able to testify to it that okay, yes, this site really pays. So right now we'll be logging in. I think being you do not have an account already, you register, but I already have an account with them, so I'll be logging in. I'll be signing in to the site. So here is my dashboard. Here is my dashboard. So the first, like just within how many minutes I open this thing, I already have 57 Naira as my balance. That's for the accepted tax. Like I've completed, I did 3 tasks, and my earnings are 106 Naira, and then my earnings are 106 Naira, and this 57 Naira. This 106 have not been approved yet. I've not been reviewed yet. Once it is reviewed, it will be approved and to be added to my balance here. But you can do more. I only did this for not even up to 5 minutes, and I have what the figure I am having here. So if you spend 1 hour on this, think about it. You know how much you'll be getting like that. So you click on this space here. You click on the available jobs. It will take you to the list of the available jobs. So here are the available jobs. Okay, here this job says like YouTube. You watch a video on YouTube. These particular jobs, I've done them, but still let's click on it and see what they want. What is expected from workers? I think subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there's a link to the channel. And then can you imagine require proof? This person said no proof is required. I trust in your credibility. Well, some people might request that you do a screenshot of the YouTube page after you have maybe liked, watch video, and subscribe, and you post. So once you are done with the task, you'll be asked to, if a proof is required, you'll be asked to upload the required proof, and then your work will be reviewed to confirm if you have truly done the work, and you will you'll be paid for it. This particular site pay their freelancer every Friday. They make their payment every Friday, and the minimum amount that you can withdraw, on this site is 2,000 Naira. 2,000 Naira is the minimum amount that you can withdraw, and after you have worked and all the total of your work and everything is up to 2,000 Naira, you can request for withdraw, and it will be sent directly into your account number. You don't need to use any other form of payment. Just straight to your bank account. The money will be sent in there every Friday, but you need to request for the payment first before it will be paid to you. So you can request for your payment every Friday, and it will be paid to your straight into your account. So guys, I'll put the link if you want to register on this site. I'll put the link to this site. I'll put it in the description box. You can check it out in the description box and click on it to sign up and get started on Naira Worker. But most importantly, before you go, remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share this video. It is also important. But most importantly, subscribe to this channel. I hope you guys have gotten value. Check the link to the site in the description box if you feel like signing up to this particular website. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.